Hi, Wally. I'm Dave.
Hey, Dave. I'm Wally.
Today in this segment of Roofing It Right with Dave and Wally, we're talking about our SA Vapor Retarder XL. This is something we don't talk about very often because
There's so many different scenarios you could use this in.
Yeah.
It's just too hard to cover.
your design professionals are the ones who specify this.
Yeah, we as a manufacturer don't tell you have to use this.
Right.
95% of the
Yeah,
time.
the
There's
vast
certain
majority.
instances we will require this, but not majority of the time. So what other uses what are some of the uses for this?
Well, it's peel and stick, all right? It's 6 squares versus our 5 square that
Right.
we have right now.
Hence the XL. I'm assuming that's why it's there.
There you go.
Yeah.
See? Sharp, sharp. This can go to a steel deck, go to a concrete deck,
Wood deck.
wood deck, and you don't need primer with it. So it is truly a peel and stick.
So I know some contractors out there, maybe they're using this as a temporary roof situation. How long can this sit unprotected?
Unprotected 90 days.
90 days.
Now, you can use this as a temporary roof option, all right? But you have to seal all the penetrations. So if you've got stacks, curbs, whatever, make sure that those are sealed, and then this can last up to 90 days.
So that's a good alternative. I mean, especially like bigger jobs or doing a big tear off or something. And yeah, that's a good alternative. So Dave, what other areas you think you might see this on any given job?
Oh, I mean, anything with vapor, I mean, in interior moisture drive. I mean,
Like high humidity,
high humidity, you're talking maybe a paper plant, cooler freezer,
indoor swimming pool.
swimming pool, maybe a hotel
Yeah.
because of all the bathrooms. But wherever you have moisture that is
driving.
driving up.
So this is stopping the moisture from getting into the roof system, basically.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
And maybe codes or a lot of areas in the country or code is specifying this as a big driver behind this also.
Very, very possible. Yes.
So, Mr. Scott, let's say I have a wood deck.
Mm-hmm.
Where would I place this vapor barrier? Again, there
Well-
are no easy answers for this, right?
No, I mean, it depends on your assembly. You putting insulation above the deck? You putting it below? I would put it right to the deck.
So obviously this is not the size of our vapor barrier. This is just for this,
Yeah.
scaled it down a little bit.
Right.
So I have a wood deck.
Mm-hmm.
This is my wood deck.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to install the vapor barrier. There's all kinds of insulation packages out there, right?
Correct.
I mean, depending on what you're looking for code or R-Factor or whatever, this could vary greatly. So let's just say we've got some ISO. So I've got my vapor barrier down and then my ISO is going to go on, correct?
Correct.
Now, if this is a vapor barrier, I'm mechanically attaching, am I not penetrating this vapor barrier?
You are. You're going to penetrate the vapor barrier with a screw. It's basically self-healing.
Okay.
I mean, you're not going to have a big area for
So
for
you're not
vapor
really
clips here.
damaged. You're not really
No.
hurting hurting the vapor barrier.
No, and you could stick it if you wanted to the deck
Okay.
and then put ISO over it, mechanically attach it, or you could mechanically attach to the whole thing.
So there's all kinds of variables.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's say I've got an ISO board. Now we're going to install our roof, right?
Mm-hmm.
So again, here's our TPO membrane. Mechanically attached, adhered. If you were going fleece back, you could go low-rise foam or our quick spray, right?
Quick spray, yeah.
So what about a metal deck? Here's our metal deck. Now, can I take this? This is a self-adhered material, right? We could peel the back off. Can I stick this directly to a metal deck?
You absolutely can.
What's going to happen if, say, new construction, other trades? Am I not worried about people walking, poking holes in this?
Well, you hope that you don't put it down and let it set for a week.
Or cover an entire 100 squares and
Right.
walk away, right?
Right.
So if I'm going
yeah.
directly to a metal deck and I'm going to leave that job for a certain amount of time, I would have to put something over top of this, wouldn't I?
Again, you've got 90 days.
But as a contractor, would I want to?
No, you don't.
So it could maybe come with a hardboard or something.
Just like this?
Yeah.
All right.
Put over top of it, protect it, right?
Right.
And especially on new construction jobs. Or could I do the opposite? Could I install a hardboard? This is what is this, 1/2 inch?
Yeah.
Guys could go maybe 1/4 inch, right?
Well, you want to make sure that you span the deck.
Right.
Or span the flutes.
And then you could put this over top.
Correct.
Again, there's all kinds of ways. We're just introducing everybody to this product. So we don't really tell you have to use it in a certain type of system. That's not on us. That's on the architects of the world, the specifiers, the GCs of the world, correct?
Absolutely.